Hi, hey, hello. How's it going, all of my dear students in Prep 1? Today, inshallah, we'll take Unit 7, the grammar lesson. On page, close up, on page 91. Inshallah, today we will take the question tag and the subject and object question. Okay? So, the first one, question tag. Question tag. We bring the question tag to make someone agree with you. Okay, so how can we make this question tag? For example, we are happy. We are happy. So the first step, we bring this auxiliary or helping verb, helping or modal verbs, and we bring it here, but in opposite more. For example, this is positive, so we will bring it here negative. So it will be or it will be aren't, or it will be aren't, and we will bring we. So the question tag here for this question, we are happy, aren't we? We are happy, aren't we? And if we have here negative, we'll bring here positive. So it will be we aren't sad. Are we? Are we? Okay, mister. Why we bring the question tag here? Because we have here some irregular like situations, and we will know all these situations. Okay? We have here, for example, don't forget to help me. Don't forget to help me. So it will be will you? Will you? Don't forget to help me. Will you? I'm happy. So we have to bring here amn't I? No. We will change it to try to say it. Aren't I? Aren't I? We don't bring here amn't I, okay? The next one here, everyone is looking. Everyone is looking. So how can we answer this one? Try to save it. So it will be aren't they? Because here everyone like many of them. Okay, so it will be aren't they? Aren't they? Okay. So we'll bring here aren't they? Let's play. So if you bring here any suggestion, so you'll say shall we? Shall we? Okay, so and we have here be careful. When you say be careful for someone, so you are talking to a person, okay? A person, it's on your face. So we'll bring it here. Won't you? Want you? We have here that is or this is for singular. So we have here sentence like this. That is great or this is great. So we'll bring here is a negative, so it will be isn't. What about this one? It will be that, this, or we'll change it to it. We'll change it to it. We have here these. This is for plural, so we'll bring here aren't they? Aren't they? Okay. So we'll make a revision here. We said that we bring the auxiliary or modal verb, for example, will or can or may, in the opposite more. For example, if we have here positive, we'll bring it negative. If we have here negative, we'll bring it positive. Excellent. But we have some issues or regular rules. Like, don't forget, we'll bring it will you. I am, it will be aren't I, not amn't I, okay? Everyone here, we deal with it like they. So it will be aren't they? Aren't they? Let's play. This is suggestion. So we'll bring shall we. We'll bring shall we. Okay? Be careful. You are giving warning to someone in your face. So it will be won't you. It's the opposite or like the abbreviation of will not. So it will be won't you. that is or this is great, so it will be isn't it. The plural, these are or those are, it will be aren't they. Now let's move on to how to make a question in subject question when you ask about subject, and how to make a question when you ask about object. Okay, when you ask about subject, we don't change anything in the sentence. Okay, we just put the question word here, who. So Ali came with me, we will change or remove here Ali and put who, so it will be who came with you, who came with you. We didn't change anything, we just put the question word and we removed the subject because we're asking about the subject. Okay, what about the object, mister? So the object here, we changed the whole verb, like we made a normal question. For example, they saved the captain. We're asking here about the captain, so we will remove it and we will make the question in normal way. Who did the rescue team save? Who did, we change because this is saved will bring a helping verb did. Okay, who did the rescue team saved? The rescue team saved. Sorry about the space, so it would be saved. Okay, so when you ask about the subject question, we just remove the subject and put the question word who and complete the question without changing anything. What about object? Object, we change the verb like a normal question. We make a cross and bring here a helping verb. In the past, it will be did. So, who did the rescue team save? Okay, who did the rescue team save? Now, let's move on to the next part about the negative questions. Okay, here are the negative questions. When we ask a negative question, for example, didn't John finish the race? Didn't John finish the race? So if we said yes he did, that means he did or not. If we said no, that means he did or not. So here, if you said yes, that means you confirm the positive meaning. Okay, that means you are agree that he finished. Okay, that means agreement or confirm the meaning. Okay, so he did the race. So didn't John finish the race? Yes, he did. So he finished the race. But if we said no, that means he didn't finish the race. So you confirm the negative answer or the negative opinion. Okay, that means agreement. Disagreement. Okay. So this is about the negative question. Now, everyone open page 91 in close-up to continue the grammar and answering the question in the close-up. Okay? After explaining the question tag, the subject and object question, and the negative questions, start open page 91 in the close-up, unit 7. The exercise A, or the first one in the page. The question tags, okay? Read 2 sentences. The first one, all passengers in the train crash were rescued. Weren't they? So you have to make underline for weren't they, okay? In the climbers haven't reached the summit yet. So it will be, have they? Make here also underline for haven't and have. So complete the rule. Question tag or short question that we add at the end of the sentence, not the start. Okay, we use a negative question tag with affirmative sentences, and we use an affirmative question tag with a negative sentence. Okay, so this is the rule of a question tag. Subject and object questions. Okay, make here underline for the verb after will or who after who. The first one, who climbed Mountain Everest for the first time? Climbed, okay. Number 2, who will the rescue team try to find. Now, read the example in C again and write T for true and F for false for a sentence below. Okay, the first one. In the sentence one, the word who asks about the object of the sentence. True or false? Of course, it's false. He asked about the subject. Okay, a statement like a question. Number two, in the question one, also in the sentence one, the word are in order that we usually use for statements. It's right or not? For a simple sentence. True. Okay. Number three, in sentence two, the word who asks about the subject of the sentence. Of course not. False. It asks about object. And this is a question, a normal question form. Okay, so it will be F for false. In sentence 2, the words are in order where we usually for statement. False. It's in order for question. Okay, the last one, negative question. Match, make a match. Okay, so match in each sentences with one we use of negative question. Okay, didn't we have here 1, 2 and AB. Okay, didn't you hear about the flood? It was on the news. Okay, number 2, isn't that one of the most amazing survival stories you have ever heard? This is number 2. Now we can use a negative questions for to express surprise and when we expect listener to agree with us. So can you match? The first one also is agree. So everyone listen about it. So you have listened. So it will be number B. The first one B and number 2, it's about surprise. So it will be A. Now open the exercise number F. Number F. Match the sentences with the question tag. The first one, he has never been to Peru. So it will be number I. It will be number I. Has he? Why has he, mister? Because here has never, it's equal negative. So it will be has he? Number 2, she's a top athlete. So it will be number E. Isn't she? Okay. Number 3, let's go mountain biking. Let's go. This is like suggestion. So it will match by H. It will match by H. Shall we? Number 4, Peter can deep sea dive. So he can deep sea dive. He can dive in the deepest sea. So it will be the opposite of can. It will be or the negative of can. It will be can't. And so it will be can't he. Number A. Number 5. I'm fit enough to go wine serving. I'm fit enough. So we said that before. I am. It will be aren't I. So it will be number F. Number 6. Don't do anything silly. Don't do anything silly. This is an order. Okay. So it will be as we said before. It will be number D. Will you? Number 7. Harriet booked her extreme holiday. So this is in the past. Okay. This is in the past booked. So it will be number B. Didn't she? We'll bring the auxiliary verb didn't and the pronoun. Didn't she? Okay. Everyone had a great time. So number 8 it will be C. Didn't they? Because this is, we said that before. Everyone we consider it as they. Okay. Didn't they? And we have here had in the past, so bring didn't. So didn't they? Okay. Number 9. Those people aren't here for the competition. So it will be aren't. It will be are. So and those people it will be they. So it will be aren't they. Aren't they? Number G. And 10. You have paid for the boat rental. So it will be number J. Haven't you? Haven't you? Now in number G, in exercise number G, letter G, we will make a question of these sentences, okay? So the first one, James plays tennis with Malcolm. It will be, who does James play with? Because this is an object, okay? Number 2, the instructor was teaching basketball skills. So it will be, who was teaching basketball skills? Okay, number 3, Francis went fishing with dad. So it will be, who went fishing with dad? Francis. Okay, number 4, Jan borrowed the jacket Rocket. So it will be, who borrowed the jacket? The blue jacket, okay, or the blue Rocket. Number 5, the coach asked Petra to join the team. So you're asking here who borrowed. So it's about object. So it will be, who did the coach ask it to join the team? Number 6, the fisherman is fixing jacket's net. So it will be, who's fixing the jacket's net? Number 7, Ted took up the most dangerous sport. So who took up the most dangerous sports? Okay. Number 8, the boy decided to get the little black puppy. So it will be, what did the boy decided to get? Who decided to get? So we can make it as subject or object question, the last one. Okay, now let's move on to the letter H, the exercise letter H. Write negative questions in reply to these sentences using the promote given. Okay, number 1, you won't see Sue on the skiing trip. So number B, it will be, why not? Isn't she coming with us? Isn't she coming with us? So this is a question by negative. Isn't she coming with us? Number 2, I got lost in the mountain last week. So it will be, you not be scared. So the answer, oh no, weren't you scared? Weren't you scared? Number 3, I haven't slept since we came back. Why not? You not tired. So it will be, like are you? So it will be, aren't you tired? Aren't you tired? Number 4, where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. So number B, anyone not tell you about the trip today? So didn't anyone tell you about the trip today? So this is in the past. Didn't anyone tell you about the trip today? Number 5 and the last one, you seemed familiar to me. Yes. We haven't met somewhere before. Haven't we met somewhere before? So if he answered yes, so it will be like confirm the meaning. If he answered no, so he confirm the negative meaning. Okay, now please open and you have a homework in workbook page 43, the grammar on the first top and the first part of the page, the question tag, subject, object questions and the negative answer. So it will be exercise A and B, page 43 in workbook. Okay, see you next time and please study hard and stay safe. Bye.